So I've just got this pipe to remove here, but I don't want to drain the central heating system down. So I've got pipe freeze kit. And this is brand new, I've never used it before. So what I'm going to do what everybody else does. I'm not going to bother reading the instructions, and I'm going to see what happens. We've got a press fit gun. We've also got a press fit cap. And then joiner can just put a wall up here. So I've just got these. I've just put some inserts in there. Got right size pipe, some inserts with it, and then I'm just going to strap it onto there, and then we'll turn it on. So I've put the clamps on there now. If you see, I've put both clamps on. If you look on the instructions there, it does say that you only need to put one on, but it does show you option of putting both on. So I'm just going to put both on anyway. And then now what we'll do, we'll turn it on, and then I'm going to cut that pipe underneath, and then we'll see if we have a flood. This is my own house, so I'm not bothered if it leaks, to be honest, if it did flood all over the floor. But I'm sure it won't. We'll see what happens. So let's switch it on, see what happens. Just poured a bit of water on, see if it's frozen. Let's have a look, let's cut it. Just have a quick look at them. We can see it's all started to freeze up. So we should be alright, hopefully. We're gonna find out. Alright, let's cut it. We've just got us cutters. Just have a look on cutters there. We've got an arrow on cutters, so we know which way to turn the cutters. And that's it, all done. And now I'm going to press, just press machine, and we'll press that socket on. I'll have to do that on another video. Right.